beautiful child. Oh, you're the one. Fly like your daddy, make me so happy. Beautiful child. Oh, you're the one.
What's up, guys? And I'm checking out more Elvis, and this one is titled Kentucky Rain. Requested by Sean CT on Streamlabs. Big shout out to you. I haven't heard this one before. I haven't heard really a whole lot of his music. I've heard like a handful of songs. But yeah, Kentucky Rain. Based on the title of this, it seems like something I love, but I'm not sure. I haven't heard it. But yeah, that being said, let's check it out.
7 lonely days and a dozen times ago, I reached out one night and you were gone. Don't know why you'd run, what you're running to or from. All I know is I want to bring you home.
I don't think I've ever heard him like do a slower
So
song.
walking in the rain, thumbing for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I've loved you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go, never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through, with the rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain. Showed your photograph to some old gray bearded men sitting on a bench outside a general store. They said, yes, she's been
Hey,
here,
were phones
but
not
their
invented?
memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No, wait, the day before. Finally got a ride with a preacher man who asked, were you bound on such a cold, dark afternoon? As we drove on through the rain, as he listened, I explained, and he left me with a prayer that I'd find you.
Loving the story.
Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through, with the rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, 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 cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain.
Sheesh. Yeah, he's pretty dedicated to finding his love again, I guess. But yeah, man, that was a really nice track. Very I wouldn't say very slow, but it was definitely the slowest Elvis song I've ever heard for sure. But the storytelling and whatnot, and like how descriptive it was very well done in my opinion. And yeah, I just really liked the overall, vibe of it, mainly because of just the lyrics and how descriptive it was and describing, his search for this woman, and he's showing his or showing her picture rather to like strangers on the bench and everything. Like, geesh. But yeah, I mean, that was really nice for sure. Definitely enjoyed that one. Kentucky Rain. And if you guys enjoyed it as well, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new. That being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out.